So that is what will happen with a lot of people who are consuming instant coffee and then they move into freshly roasted coffee. They'll have that sip and they'll be like, oh, okay, wait, this is what we are talking about, you know. That's another topic altogether, you know.
Can you just describe what is instant coffee? Like,
Instant coffee is like getting married to a photograph rather than getting married really. So instant coffee is nothing but it also comes from the beans, the green beans. They are roasted in a particular manner and then they are basically freeze-dried. They are brewed and then they are freeze-dried. They are freeze-dried with certain amount of chemicals and all these things so that, you know, if you just break the instant coffee, it kind of breaks apart. So what happens like once you brew it, they're like huge silos, huge containers which basically brew the coffee. Don't imagine an espresso machine or an AeroPress or something, that's not possible. But they've got like differently specialized machines which basically extract the caffeine out of the coffee, the beverage out of the coffee. And then that beverage is then sprayed and then freeze-dried. So that is how it happens. So that is how the instant coffee is made. In that, what is happening is you don't know what the coffee is. You don't know which coffee is it, when was it roasted. Because I give this example of freshly roasted coffee. Why you should consume freshly roasted coffee is almost like rice and biryani. Okay, uncooked rice is something that you can store. Once you cook it, once a biryani is made, one, you can't keep it like that because you're tempted enough. But second is it will go bad, right? Same thing happens with the coffee once roasted. That unroasted coffee is kind of like you can keep it for a long time. Once it's roasted, the flavor, aroma, and all these, everything will go down. So you want to consume it really fresh. So the whole point in the instant coffee, it's all beaten. You don't know when it was roasted, how it was roasted, all these things, and with the chemicals getting in place, it becomes very different altogether. So you're just tasting a concentrate. You're not tasting coffee. You're tasting coffee concentrate. So that is what will happen with a lot of people who are consuming instant coffee and then they move into freshly roasted coffee. They'll have that sip and they'll be like, oh, okay, wait, this is what we are talking about, you know.
I was saying, if we were to roast instant coffee.
Nah. Okay. They want to roast instant coffees. You know, there's a saying for decaf, right? But I'll use it for instant coffee. So instant coffee is almost like kissing your sister, which is pointless. Instant coffee is like eating veg butter chicken.